These AI mechanical toy videos are absolutely dominating TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts right now, and honestly, most people still have no idea how easy they are to create. Some of these accounts are getting millions and millions of views using nothing but AI-generated toy animations. One page gained hundreds of thousands of followers in a very short amount of time just by posting transforming mechanical toys created completely with AI. And the craziest part is that most of these creators are not professional animators. They're not using expensive VFX software, they're simply using the right AI workflow in the right way. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to create these viral AI mechanical toy videos yourself, even if you're starting completely from zero. We're going to cover everything from generating toy ideas, creating cinematic images, keeping the toy consistent between scenes, animating the transformation, improving realism, exporting high-quality videos, and even how to make the videos more viral on social media. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open ChatGPT and head to the Explore GPTs section. Inside the GPT store, search for the Mechanical Toy Generator by Creator Ammo. Once you find it, open it and click Start Generator. This GPT is extremely useful because instead of spending hours trying to think of ideas manually, it instantly generates unique mechanical toy concepts automatically. You'll usually get concepts like transforming bulldozers, robotic dinosaurs, cyber sharks, futuristic construction machines, mechanical dragons, robotic trains, and all kinds of cinematic toy ideas. This saves a massive amount of time because coming up with strong concepts is one of the hardest parts of content creation. For this tutorial, we're going to choose a transforming mechanical bulldozer. Once you select your concept, the GPT will generate multiple prompts and different toy variations for you automatically. Now we move over to TopMediai. Inside TopMediai, create a new AI image project and choose ChatGPT-2 image generation. ChatGPT-2 inside TopMediai works extremely well for this style because it creates detailed toy textures, realistic lighting, strong cinematic compositions, and very clean mechanical designs. Before generating anything, make sure your format is set to vertical 9:16 because vertical videos perform best on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Now paste your first image prompt into the generator. Your first image is extremely important because this becomes the visual identity of your toy. You want the toy to look detailed, cinematic, realistic, and visually satisfying. A lot of beginners make the mistake of using weak prompts with very little detail. That usually creates flat-looking toys with poor realism and weak textures. Instead, you want to describe the materials, lighting, mechanical parts, textures, camera style, and cinematic atmosphere. For example, you can describe exposed gears, hydraulic pistons, glossy industrial plastic, cinematic toy photography, dramatic lighting, realistic reflections, intricate engineering details, and macro camera lens aesthetics. The more visual detail you provide, the more premium and realistic the final result will look. Now generate multiple image versions instead of only one. This is very important because sometimes one variation has better lighting, another has better proportions, and another has stronger mechanical detail. Always generate several options and then choose the strongest image. Once your images are finished generating, select your favorite version. Now use the reference image feature inside TopMediai so the AI can keep the same toy design between scenes. This step is incredibly important. This is what keeps your toy visually consistent throughout the video. Without image referencing, the AI may completely change the shape, colors, proportions, or mechanical design in the next image. Consistency is one of the biggest differences between amateur AI videos and professional-looking AI videos. Once your reference image is attached, go back to ChatGPT and generate your second image prompt. This second image should show the toy partially transformed. For example, maybe the bulldozer arms begin unfolding, gears rotate outward, robotic legs emerge, or the cabin transforms into a robotic head. You want the second frame to feel like a natural evolution of the first frame. Now paste the second image prompt into ChatGPT 2 image generation inside TopMediai and generate another batch of images. Because we use the reference image, the toy should maintain the same identity while changing only certain transformation details. This is exactly how creators produce those smooth cinematic AI transformations that look almost impossible. Now that we have our first frame and second frame, we're ready for the animation stage. Inside Top Media,